hello, and thank you for joining us for another update on MarkTwainZephyr.com, also our Facebook and Twitter pages at Mark Twain Zephyr. I'm Robert Taborn, Director of Passenger Development for the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad, and thanks for joining us for another update. It is Sunday, August 2021, and after 2 weeks on the road, we are back up here at the Wisconsin Great Northern, but we want to say thank you to all of the people who turned out for our presentation and book signing tour. 14 stops in Illinois, Iowa, and Missouri. We had just over 700 people who showed up total at all of our events, and we sold over 200 books. So thank you so much, and maybe we can do another tour sometime. Maybe next year, we'll have to see. But things are definitely picking up here at the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad, especially inside the Huckleberry Finn, where work continues on the kitchen. Crews have been busy today putting up a wall. Let's check in with Bob for the latest on that. So what are you, so you've been working hard, obviously. I think last time you sent us a picture, you just had the hallway done, right?
Well, the hallway was done, and there were overhead cabinets that had hung down. There was another wall here that had a bank of cabinets on it. There was a bank of cabinets that came out here, and also a bank of cabinets that came out here, or just a wall here. This is going to be a sliding door here, because there'll be a freezer here. That way, what they need out of the kitchen, they can come right through the back, get what they need out of the kitchen. And if they need to serve down in that direction, they'll be able to, come straight through the kitchen.
Okay.
As we come down this way, this sink and all of this will be utilized. There'll be two oven here, turbo combo therm ovens stacked there. Dishwasher built in right there.
And this is all where the original part begins for people who are curious.
All the wood inside the kitchen will be all covered with stainless steel again. As we come on down this way, the floors will be done in quarry tile, just kitchen grade flooring.
Okay.
2 refrigerators that go in here, because we're limited on 25 inches is the max that we can get through the door. So we can't get a big double-sided refrigerator in here. So we'll have 2 refrigerators side by side that open.
Okay.
And then this here, both that corner and this corner will be rounded. It's just to make an easy transition coming in there.
Okay.
This will still be a door to get in here. We're going to try and, don't know if I'm going to have enough, we're going to incorporate this radius back down in here.
Okay.
We'll see if I have,
so the original service counter area that's still here.
Yep. Then I think we had talked as we came through here. This here will be a waitress station with a little countertop, and there'll be a cabinet underneath there for your glass racks and all of the racks that actually go into the dishwasher.
Okay.
And this side over here will be a glass door. Refrigerator.
Oh, another fridge.
So when you want to bake cookies for everybody, you can get off your baking ability.
Or lack of abilities, but that's why I don't cook. But nice. So if we look back this way, this is kind of what you're doing. You're putting up the wall. Can you tell us how the wall works?
This wall here,
you're telling me
the wall works by separating this area from that area.
Yes.
But no, in the center here, just because we can't frame out a wall because we're always trying to conserve space. So this is just 3/4 inch wood, and in between each piece here, it's slotted 1/4 inch wide by 1/2 inch deep, and there's it's splined with a piece of wood in there, which gives it a lot of strength.
And you said you just get the piece of wood like here, and you have a special device
a slot cutter
that puts.
It goes on a rotor, and then when we do the stainless in here, I'll come through and I'll go every center of the seam, so it gives it more strength. And then actually here there'll be a top that will be there'll be 3 steam wells long way sitting along here. And then as we come down here, this will be top all the way along down here, and then down here. Just because, once again, it's not like we can get a stove in here.
Yeah.
There'll be 3 separate burners that'll be wired right into the top. So we'll have a stove top over here.
Okay.
Then we got, excuse me, steel cabinets that'll go all the way across the top of it.
Okay. And then it'll be located next to the Effie Dean, so if we want to do some food, I guess, even though we have a bar area, a little kitchen in there, you could still bring heavier food items.
Okay. All this, everything, will be done in stainless.
Mm-hmm.
And then this way too, we can, in that hall there, I can cut a hole in it, and we can have a separate air conditioner for the kitchen.
And this, obviously the original sink, is that going to be hard for you to do the plumbing to do that, or is that going to be pretty relatively easy?
Like we did in the Effie Dean.
You'll be able to, adaptation.
We're not going to be able, we won't be able to get something to fit the existing holes.
Yeah.
I'll just take a piece of stainless and put what we needed in for holes, and I can enlarge that and then drop it through and attach it.
Okay.
Because, once everything is in here, it's really hard to access stuff if there is a problem.
Mm-hmm.
So, we always try to make it easy, that it's easily accessed.
And these were freezer boxes, but you were just going to use them as storage?
These weren't freezer boxes. These were just
normal
cabinets.
Okay. And we could obviously reuse those, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, these are just cabinets. This one wasn't either. None of these were actually, the only ones that were actually freezer is, there was one that was in the corner here.
Okay.
And then an upright one on an angle like this.
Oh.
I mean, and what we were able to save, we save, as always.
Yeah.
And it goes into the collection of saved stuff.
Very cool.
But no, by the end of next week, ceilings should be in. And I hope that I have all of the floor is Durarocked.
Uh-huh.
That way they can come in and do all the painting.
Okay.
And then after they paint it, what I'll do is I'll tile this section here, bring the appliances in and set them in.
Okay.
And then, work my way down. Because like I said, I can't close up that end because that's the only access to get in here.
Yeah.
So as, we get things in, I can get down to the end and close it up.
All right. So that's what you'll be working on all this week. So I guess we'll check in with you next Sunday on the 8th of August, and we'll see what you've done all of this coming week. So thanks so much, Bob. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Bottom a little, please.
Pull it too much. Push it back a little.
Oh, kick the bottom.
I can't kick it.
Yeah.
Top.
Only with the body. Go. Glue on it, Mark. Hit the top, top, top. Bottom.
Okay, thanks, Bob. We'll look forward to seeing the progress and catching up with you next Sunday. We do want to mention today is a very special day, as 1 year ago today, that's right, August 1st, back in 2020, the Injun Joe arrived here at the Wisconsin Great Northern after a 600-mile journey from the Gateway Rail in St. Louis. Here's a look back at that very special day.
It's funny.
3, 2, 1.
And Jim is with the construction construction company.
Yeah, we're actually the movers.
Okay,
Yeah.
you're the movers. Well, shout out to your company. What's the name?
Our company name is Over the Top Construction.
Over the Top.
Over the Top Specialties.
Okay, where are you
we
guys
get
out of?
We're out of Seville, Ohio.
Okay.
It's a new day all over. It's a new day. It's a new day, so alive. Yeah, 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 yeah. And it's what we make. It's a new day today. I want the most, I want the best. I'm up for whatever happens next, yeah.
thinking back just 1 year ago, all the progress our crews have made up here on all the cars has been truly amazing, and we thank you for following along each and every week. For this week, I'm Robert Taborn, Director of Passenger Development for the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. Yourselves a great week, and we'll see you back here next Sunday with another update on the Mark Twain Zephyr. Thanks so much for joining us for another update on the Mark Twain Zephyr at the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. Before you go, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's really easy. Depending on what browser you have, just click on the red subscribe button on the lower right-hand side below the video screen, or perhaps it might be in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This way you won't miss any of our future updates. For restoration updates throughout the week, head over to marktwainzephyr.com and click on the Restoration Updates link. We usually add a few photos during the week. Our next video update will be next Sunday afternoon. And remember, you can stay in touch with us throughout the week 24/7 on social media. We mainly use Facebook at Mark Twain Zephyr. We also occasionally use Twitter at Mark Twain Zephyr as well. Once again, thanks for following us and liking us and supporting the Mark Twain Zephyr restoration effort at the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad. We'll see you back next Sunday at this time.